Hi Mia, it's Shar. How you doing? Okay, I want to talk to you a little bit about 6/8 time. I'm not sure if we've covered this before. Think maybe we have, but just in case, here's a little update on 6/8 time. Now, most of the time we're reading music in 4/4 time or 3/4 time. The top number of the time signature tells you how many beats are in a measure, right? So if it's 3/4 time, there's 3 beats to a measure. If it's 4/4 time, well, there's 4 beats into a measure. The number on the bottom, like 4/4 on the bottom, if it's a 4, it tells us that a quarter note gets 1 beat, okay? So if there's a 4 on the bottom, quarter gets 1 beat. But what is it if there's an 8 on the bottom? Well, it just means that an 8th note now gets 1 beat. So if it's 6/8 time, well then there's 6 beats to a measure and an 8th note gets 1 beat. What gets a little confusing is if an 8th note now gets 1 beat, well then how many beats does a quarter note get? How many? Think about it. How many 8th notes fit into a quarter note? 2. So a quarter note in 6/8 time now gets 2 beats. How many beats does a dotted quarter note get? Well, how many 8th notes can fit into a dotted quarter note? 3. So an 8th note gets 1, a quarter note gets 2, a dotted quarter note gets 3, and then a half note now gets 4. So it's kind of fun. So it counts usually like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With an emphasis on beats number 1 and 4. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what happens when we need to split into half the 8th note? Well then it becomes 16th notes. So 1 16th note gets half of a beat. 2 16th notes gets 1 beat. It's sort of like 8th notes are to a quarter note, but when we're in 4/4 time. You get it? If you have questions, ask me, of course. Okay, so we're going to be learning the new song called Gigue. Gigue. Now, I'm going to send you this music, but I do want to point something out to you. Check this out. You see the 2 bars right there? Those are your 16th notes. So the way this thing counts off is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1. Okay? A little louder. All right, so just so you're aware, it is an incomplete measure, and we're coming on beat 6 and. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's learn the gigue, shall we? I was thinking about breaking this up into 2 parts, okay? Part number 1, we can do half of the song, and then next time I see you, we'll do part number 2. What do you think? Good idea. Okay. So I just want to go over the key signature of the gigue, which, if you look at the very beginning, you notice a little sharp. There it is. F sharp. F sharp in your key signature. Got it? Which is right before your time signature, 2 signatures. When you have an F sharp in your key signature, it means that we're using the notes from the G major scale. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Got it? Okay. So that means every F is going to be sharp. I always like to say they got a little bit stingy with ink, right? They didn't want to put the F sharps in. Like sharp, sharp. Oh, there's an F, I'll write it sharp. No, they're just going to tell us at the beginning. They're going to say, okay, all Fs are sharp. You have to be responsible for them. You see? Okay. So let's go ahead and get the notes first. Every good musician reads the notes. Since I'm not there with you and we're doing this sort of video Skypey thing, I think what we're going to do is I'm just going to go over them with you right now. Here we go. All right. So we start off by saying, what's the name of the first note? Well, it's G-A-B. with finger number 2. All right, so let's do this together. Maybe this could be something you do with the video. What do you think? I like it. All right, are you ready? Here we go. B, C, D, B, G, E, C, G, D, B, G, G. And then here's your F sharp. And here's your E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, F sharp, D. Good. B, C, D, B, G, E, C, G, D, B, G, G, 2, 3, F sharp. Then E, D, C sharp, D, A, F sharp, D. Good. I realize you can't see my finger, so I'm going to do that. There we go. The magic of Velcro and cell phones. All right, here we go. So now you can see my hand, and I'm going to try and get a little bit closer. Hopefully my phone doesn't fall. Haha. Can you see that? Yes. Okay, so I'm going to do it with the counting now, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat. 6 and 1, 2, 3. Then that repeats, okay? So we end on 4, 5, lift, 6, and. Got it? Okay, left hand. Let's do some notes. Okay, so we start with finger number 1 on G. It's an 8th note, so that's going to be 6, 1. All right, so we have an octave G, so we're already stretching out our hand, getting ready. All right, so let's just do the notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. G, G, 2, 3, and C, 2, 3, and G, 2, 3. Move up to E, C sharp, A, D, A, F sharp, C sharp, 2, 3, and D, 2, octave D. Good. G, octave G, 2, 3, and C, 2, 3, and G, 2, 3. It goes E, C sharp, A, D, A, F sharp, G, 2, A, D, A, F sharp, D, 2. Now, there's a lot of funny fingering there in the left hand, so watch out. Just be careful. All right, so as you go and you read it, just double check to make sure you have all the right fingers, okay? Definitely do this hands apart, okay? One more time. So it's 1 on G, G, okay? 2 goes on C, okay? G. Okay, then you move your first finger up to the E above middle C, E with 1, C sharp with 2, A with 4. Squeeze in first finger to D, bring 3 down to A, 5 is on F sharp, 2 has to stretch up to C sharp, 2, 3, and there's D, good, octave your D, lift and put G, octave G, 2, and then C with 2, G, then it's E with 1, C sharp with 2, A with 4, squeeze in for D, third finger on A, F sharp with 5, G, A, and then you go D with 1, and then now get A with 2, you kind of re-stretch out, F sharp with 3, D with 5. Got it? Okay. Now, when you start to put this together, you're going to do a slow count, okay? No metronome, no nothing. Just slowly put it together. It's about just getting the coordination of it, okay? Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 and 1, 2, 3. Okay, now just so you get a handle on what it will sound like. Yay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So look, I have this beating on 1 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This song goes fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bad start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll go ahead and learn the next part next time.